Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started. Our number one pick is Coavas one-way window privacy film. The film is designed to provide a mirror-like effect during the daytime, reflecting exterior views while allowing you to see out clearly. This adds a layer of privacy without sacrificing natural light. It's important to note that the privacy effect only works when it's brighter outside than inside. At night, with interior lights on, visibility from the outside is possible. Curtains or blinds are still needed after sunset. The Coavas film blocks up to 96% of harmful UV rays, which not only protects your skin, but also prevents fading of furniture and flooring over time. It effectively reduces solar heat gain, helping to maintain a cooler indoor environment during summer and easing the load on air conditioning systems. The film uses a static cling mechanism, which means no sticky residue and an easier bubble-free application. It's ideal for renters or those who want a non-permanent solution. At 17.5 by 78.7 inches, the roll is large enough for small to medium windows and can be cut easily with scissors to fit different window dimensions. The Coavas one-way window privacy film is a functional and stylish choice for those seeking privacy and temperature control during the day. Its easy installation and sleek design make it a strong contender in the window film market. Just be sure to pair it with curtains for nighttime use. Our second best UV window film is rabbitgoo window privacy film. The rabbitgoo window privacy film offers a sleek, functional solution for homeowners or office users who want daytime privacy, UV protection, and a cooler indoor environment without sacrificing natural light. Measuring 17.5 inches by 6.5 feet, this silver mirror tint film combines modern aesthetics with practical features. Here's a breakdown of its performance with clearly organized points and cohesive analysis. The film's one-way mirror finish provides excellent daytime privacy. Outsiders see a reflective surface while you still get to enjoy an unobstructed view from inside. This feature is ideal for street-facing windows or offices. Like other one-way films, it loses effectiveness at night if interior lights are on. At that point, visibility from the outside is possible, so you'll still need blinds or curtains after sunset. This film blocks up to 96% of harmful UV rays, which helps reduce fading of furniture, carpets, and artwork while also protecting skin from long-term sun exposure. The reflective tint significantly reduces heat gain in rooms with heavy sun exposure, making it ideal for summer use or hot climates. Many users notice a more comfortable indoor temperature almost immediately. The 6.5-foot length provides enough coverage for multiple small to mid-sized windows, and the film can be cut to fit with simple tools like scissors or a Third in our list is KESPEN heat-blocking anti-UV mirror window tint. This film provides solid one-way visibility during the day, allowing you to see out clearly while blocking outside views. The mirror-like finish ensures that outsiders only see a reflective surface when the sunlight hits the window, making it ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, and street-facing spaces. Like most one-way films, privacy is compromised at night if lights are on inside. For 24-hour privacy, it's best paired with curtains or blinds. The film blocks out a significant amount of solar heat, making rooms noticeably cooler in direct sunlight. This can lead to lower energy costs, especially in warmer seasons, by reducing the need for air conditioning. The KESPEN film claims to block over 90% of UV rays, protecting your interior furnishings, floors, and artwork from sun damage while reducing skin exposure to harmful rays. It uses no adhesive, relying instead on static cling, making installation easy for most users. You only need soapy water, a squeegee, and a clean window surface to apply. It's also removable and reusable, which is a major plus for renters or anyone looking to change window coverage in the future. At 35.4 inches wide, this film is ideal for wider windows and can be easily cut to size for custom fitting. Number 4. In our WPCTEV window film. The standout feature of this window film is its mirror-like finish, which offers excellent privacy during daylight hours. From the inside, you retain a clear view out, while the outside reflects like a mirror, effectively preventing people from seeing in. Installation is made easier with its static cling design. No glue, no mess. All you need is soapy water, a squeegee, and a clean glass surface. It's also removable and reusable, a big advantage for renters or those who may want to reposition or replace it later. At 17.5 inches wide and 6.5 feet long, it's suitable for smaller windows or can be cut and aligned for multi-pane applications. It's especially handy for bathrooms, bedrooms, and street-facing windows. The film claims to block up to 98% of harmful UV rays, protecting your furniture, floors, and skin from sun-related damage. This makes it an ideal choice for sun-facing rooms or home offices with valuable electronics. The WPCTEV film provides impressive heat control, making rooms cooler and more comfortable during hot days. Users often notice a significant reduction in glare and less dependence on air conditioning. Our fifth pick is STATINT Privacy Window Film. Measuring 17.5 inches wide and 6.5 feet long, the film can be trimmed to fit smaller panes or tiled across larger windows. It's ideal for bathrooms, bedrooms, sunrooms, or patio doors. STATINT uses a non-adhesive static cling design, making installation clean and relatively simple. All you need is soapy water, a squeegee, and a flat surface. It's also removable and reusable, which is ideal for renters or those who like to switch things up. It offers up to 99% UV protection, shielding furniture, flooring, and skin from damaging rays. This helps prevent fading and extends the life of your home decor. The film significantly reduces solar heat gain, which keeps indoor spaces cooler. This helps cut down on air conditioning usage, making it a cost-effective and eco-friendly option for warm climates. Like all one-way mirror films, the effect is light-dependent. At night, when interior lights are on and it's dark outside, visibility reverses. To maintain privacy after sunset, curtains or blinds are recommended. The primary feature of this film is its one-way mirror effect, which works best during daylight hours. From the outside, the reflective finish provides a mirror-like appearance, while those inside retain a clear view out. This is especially useful for street-facing windows or sliding glass doors.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.